Hi, we are a group of researchers from Carnegie Mellon's Human-Computer Interaction Institute, and we are excited to share our research on an evidence-based workflow for studying and designing learning supports for human-AI co-creation. Generative AI systems have the potential to enhance professional workflows and allow for new forms of human-AI co-creation in the production of text, images, videos, or mechanical components. However, despite advancements in Gen AI, professionals often struggle with learning to work with these systems effectively. Challenges include misestimating AI capabilities, difficulty in communicating design intents, or discerning between AI-generated design features and bugs. Recently, research has begun to explore interfaces that support users in learning to co-create with Gen AI. However, we lack systematic approaches to investigate the effectiveness of these supports. In this work, we present a systematic approach for studying how to support learning to co-create with Gen AI systems, which is informed by methods and concepts from the learning sciences. First, identifying learning goals and developing measures. Second, designing support mechanisms, and third, evaluating the resulting learning effects. To explore how this approach can be used to study and compare the impacts of different types of learning supports in the context of human-AI co-creation, we conducted an experimental case study. The study focused on supporting illustrators in learning to create images for a children's book using a prompt-based open-source text-to-image diffusion model in a chat-based web interface. First, we identified two learning goals and measures, such as the learner's knowledge of a specific model's limitations, which we measured through a learner's ability to identify limitations in given prompt image pairs, and a learner's ability to overcome model limitations by employing model-specific prompting techniques or strategies, which we measured through a learner's ability to recreate given images through prompting. For the support interventions, we designed two different mechanisms based on interactions proposed in prior literature for supporting text prompt-based Gen AI tasks. Prompt suggestions offer alternative prompt variations by expanding the user's prompt with subject and style modifiers. Meanwhile, guided exploration suggests context-dependent trial-and-error exploration strategies along with related worked examples. Finally, to investigate the learning impacts of the support interfaces, we conducted a remote between-subject study with 90 professional illustrators in a pre-test post-test design. Our results show that both interactive support mechanisms slightly improve designer performance. However, each mechanism promotes different skills, underscoring the need for targeted learning supports in human-AI co-creation. In conclusion, our study revealed different learning effects for both interfaces, which demonstrates that our workflow is capable of detecting nuanced learning effects in the context of human-AI co-creation tasks. This approach can be leveraged to explore further learning goals and to evaluate and refine learning support interfaces for human-AI co-creation systematically. Our research in this paper represents a first attempt to study the learning effects of support interfaces within text-to-image Gen AI tasks. We believe that the demonstrated approach provides a valuable and practical methodological foundation for future research aiming at improving human-AI co-creation across task domains and AI models. Please check out our paper for more details.